What's up guys? We're back again to an unboxing items that we bought from Shopee. This shoes container. So I bought two orders for 6 pieces per order. So I hope this is worth the money. I got this delivered by Shopee Express, and let's use a scissor, but always keep in mind to use scissor properly. If you cannot handle this with yourself, please ask assistance from those who can use this properly. So this was from the Curtains Mall from Shopee, delivered out of my home. So let's start opening this one. As you can see, it has a fragile sticker to indicate that when you deliver this one, you need to handle it with care. So let's just shortcut the process, and we'll use this right in its above it. Okay. So I've ordered 2 orders. I'm expecting that this is of high quality, because aside from those that only ranges like 20 pesos for one item, this is more like 400 per 6 pieces. So you do the math, that's how much each piece is. So I'm here again. So I've ordered the transparent one so I can see the design of my shoes when it is put here on the container. And of course, I want also to facilitate it myself. And this is the actual product inside. So I've already expected that this needs to be assembled. So this is the actual product. So gladly it's thick. So when you form this one, I think it can handle a few stocks. So all in all, these are 12 pieces. Oops. So 12 pieces of this material, and of course it comes along with the cover. As you can see here, the cover. So let's try one. So again guys, you just have to arrange this properly. First, so it will look like this, and then you just flatten it out. And there are corresponding squares here. You just have to pull this one. Remove this one, because this is to lock our shoe container. Okay, get this out. It sounds so satisfying, right? Okay. And then you push this one here. There's a corresponding attachment as well. You flatten it out. You do like this. Oh, in front of this one looks like an eye here. So you can do it opposite to your direction, and then you flatten both sides. You flatten it again until it forms the square here. Okay, and then you see this one at the bottom. You insert this on the hole here below, and this upper one is here on the other part. So flatten it out and push, and then you insert. Same with the other one at the bottom here, and then you push here. So that makes it more sturdy than the previous one. Okay, And then for the opener, you have here something like this at the edge. You just have to fold it. It makes sure that the opening will be tightened for this one. Okay, so we need to use this. And for example, the three sides with something that you folded will be at the bottom. So the upper part, for me, the upper part should not have this one folded. And then for its door opening, so the circle one should be above here, the one that has not a folded part. So you just have to, you can do like this, straighten it out, and then you push it with, you can ask help from your other siblings. So you just have to hold it. Make sure, because there are sides here, you can insert this filament here. Okay, you just have to go with timing this out. Timing. This will take like a time for you to insert. I suggest that you ask help from other family members in assembling this one. And if it's locked, you can hear a clicking sound because we folded the part that's needed to be folded. And then let's make sure that it will be inserted. Okay, if you have heard that one, the inserting one. Okay, after our assembly, it looks like this. Okay, this is the opening. You just have to do it like this. It's very sturdy, it's very stable. And in addition, we have here these markings, so you can stack more and more and more. So we just have to follow what we did at the beginning. For this, to use this one, it has at the top and at the bottom, so you can stack a lot of this, and you can put shoes, more shoes inside it. So let's try putting our shoes. So of course I'm gonna be sampling my newly washed shoes. So like for example, this one I have here. When you open this one, you insert your shoes like this, and you're good to go. I chose transparent so I can see clearly the design and the arrangement of my shoes. Okay, so that's it. If I'll rate this product, I'll rate it 5/5, 10/10. So for me, it's perfect since this is what I'm looking for. Though it's kinda pricey compared to those much lesser. Like it's less than 25 pesos. I saw like 17 pesos, but the reviews are not that positive. So I chose this one. Eventually, it took only 1 week. I ordered this December 27. It arrived today, December 9. So considering it's Christmas the previous days, so it's faster compared to the other one. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, share, and like this video. I'm unboxing more and more products as I buy it. Thank you. Upon finishing assembling the shoes container, now this is how it looks like. Okay, you need to attach this one here if you want to attach this also, so the three of these sets can be combined together. And now I'll be putting all my shoes, and also let's see how it looks like after. Hi guys, this is now how it looks like after we put all the shoes that I need to store on this container. So just quick turn around. On top view, side view, and top view again, and front view. Okay, this is kind of amazing.